Welcome to another tutorial for clubs at NU. This tutorial is an onboarding process for new faculty and staff advisors. We hope that this brief tutorial is a helpful asynchronous resource for you, but at any time we're more than happy to assist you one-on-one. So please don't hesitate to email us at clubs@nu.edu if you want more personalized assistance. It would be our pleasure to meet with you via Zoom or to meet with you on the phone. So as a new faculty staff advisor, please be aware of our nu.edu Center for Student Engagement and Activities website. This has got links to all the websites for student organizations, a lot of information about requirements, many links to forms, and especially a link to our student organization handbook. So if you're not familiar with that, we would encourage you to review that so you're aware of our policies and procedures and some guidelines there. As soon as you contact us to let us know that you are a new faculty staff advisor, we will add you with leader level permissions to the Blackboard organization of your student organization. So this means you have full editing permission, and we really encourage you to use this space to send out announcements, emails. If you want to use the discussion boards, you're welcome to do so. If you want to use this to store recordings or photos, you can do so. Some things we do ask that you don't change. We ask that you leave this club resources section here. This has got links to a lot of the forms and links that your club needs to conduct business, like check requisitions. This is very important that you keep here, the annual review documentation section, and also your club financials. So your club may rename this something slightly different, but on a monthly basis, our National University Accounting Department produces financial statements for all registered student organizations. And then I go ahead and I place these in your Blackboard container for you. So this is the official reflection of the fund balance for your student organization. So know that that is updated on a monthly basis for you, and it is stored here. You are welcome to add student users. You can make your officers, you can give them leader permission if you wish. We do ask that you don't remove any administrators from the registered leader level users, just because we may need to do account maintenance. So please do feel free to add, please do feel free to make use of this space. Just ping us if you want to make any major deletions. So you will also be asked, if you're a new faculty or staff advisor, to fill out our advisor agreement form. Previously, this was a like a PDF form, but we've updated this to make it a web form, which we hope will be faster and more convenient for you. And you don't need to update this on any kind of regular basis. If the student organization has a new advisor, they would simply fill out a new form, but you can just fill it out at the beginning of your time and then click submit. You will also be asked, when you sign on as a new faculty staff advisor, to submit an updated account application and agreement form. So we get into this form in much greater detail in one of our tutorials. In the Clubs at NU Check Requisition tutorial, there's a detailed description of how to fill out this form. This form has all persons who are authorized to sign off on club expenditures. So that includes officers, student officers, and advisors. So obviously, if the advisors change, we need to have an updated copy of this form. And this helps, again, make sure that we are releasing funds appropriately from your student organization's account. Other things that you should be aware of: we do have an InterClub Council. It meets once a month for 1 hour via Zoom. All student organizations are asked to send a representative, but any student members or officers, any faculty or staff advisors are welcome to attend. So this is something that's open to everybody, but we do ask that you have at least one regular rep who attends so that they can stay up to date on changes, shifts in policy, announcements, things like that. This student organization, as you can see, has its own Blackboard organization. So you're welcome to be added to that. Please let us know if you want us to add you as a participant in this, and then you'll get all those announcements, have access to minutes, things like that. Or at least make sure that one of your student members or officers is a member here so that they're staying up to date on those announcements as well. An exciting development is that the National University university-wide calendar now does include student events. You can see there are several student organizations that are already up. I know we will be adding some more in the coming weeks. So we really encourage all student organizations to submit their events to us, including regular meetings and special events, on a quarterly basis, so that we can update that information with marketing. At the very least, these things do need to be updated monthly. We understand that not all events and meetings can be scheduled with 90 days notice, but at the very least on a monthly basis, let us know what events you have planned so that we can make sure this gets university-wide exposure, and hopefully we can recruit more folks to attend your events. And then finally, reach out to us at any time if there's more we can do to support your student organization. For example, National University uses a platform called MentorMe to allow mentorship between National University students and alumni, faculty, staff. So we can offer some personalized assistance with this and some special groups if your student organization is interested. We may also be able to cross-promote events with other student organizations if you're hosting some kind of event that maybe would appeal to both nursing and public health or international students and LGBT students. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, please don't hesitate to contact us at clubs@nu.edu anytime for more one-on-one assistance. It would be our pleasure to help you. Thank you so much.